Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can navigate to the dynamic study modules as an instructor. So what you'll notice is if you're in a modified mastering course or a mastering course and you click on the dynamic study modules, you'll typically get a message that will say you do not have access to this site. That is because this area is actually a student access area for self-study. Students that access the study modules through this link will not have their efforts recorded. It is just for self-study and for practice. For an instructor to see the dynamic study modules or to assign them, you'll go to the instructor tools area and you'll go to assignments, and then from there you'll choose create an assignment, and then from there you'll choose the add a dynamic study module, and then from here you can pick and choose which dynamic study module you are going to be looking for using the drop down menu. And then if you want to look at the specific module, you could just click into it and it will then show you the content that is available for that specific module. And that is how you get to the dynamic study modules if you're looking at it as an instructor. Okay, I hope that is helpful and have a great day.